Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to make a call on Signal app. Let me show you how can we do that. First, click on Signal app icon. Select the person who you want to call. For example, let's select home. Click on phone call which shown on top right, this one. You will get the message start voice call. You can cancel a call. Now we want to call, so we will press here. You will get another message to call home. Signal need access to your microphone. Press continue. Allow Signal to record audio. Press allow. Now it's calling. That's all. After calling, you can end the call by pressing here. That's it. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment, and we will do our best to respond all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.